Are you having trouble with lag on your iPhone on iOS 18? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. Start by moving into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to battery and then turn on low power mode option. Once turned on, now the next thing you want to do is go back to your home page and then move into App Store. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. In this page, you have to make sure all of the application is up to date. If not, tap on Update All and then update it. Most of the time, updating all the application has also fixed the issue. After that, the next thing you want to do is once again move into the settings of a device and then head over to Siri. If the Siri is turned on, simply turn it off. Once turned off, now head over to General, scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and then click on Reset All Settings. Most of the time, resetting all the settings has also fixed the issue. If not, try restarting the device and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.